beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be installing this wig that you see here. Huge shout out to Sensational for sending over today's wig. This is their center part feed in braid unit and it's 28 inches long, and I do have it in the color 1B. So if you guys are interested in watching the install of this wig as well as hearing what I think about it, make sure you continue to watch today's video. Subscribe if you aren't already, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's jump into today's video. Alright you guys, so that was the installation process. Please let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below so far. So stated earlier, this is the center part feed in 28 inch 1B wiggy here. So we have some braid action and it comes with HD undetectable lace. You can see how the parting space will be once you get the unit. You do have a 4x5 parting or lace space, shall I say, and you can see that it does come with baby hairs as well, and it has natural parting. In this unit, I'm going to give it a good 9.5 out of 10. I do have one little small issue with it, but it's nothing major and it could definitely be corrected. So we'll start off with just the quality of how the braids are done. They are done extremely well. Okay, so this looks very natural how it falls into these braids. I'm going to open up the back for you so you guys can see what that looks like, because I don't think I showed that in my 360. Now, while this cannot be put into a high ponytail, you could definitely wear it in a low ponytail, or maybe make it into like two separate little braids here. You can reset this with the hot water set as well. if you need to. I do have a few scraggly pieces that are showing up here, probably from me rubbing my hand on it. But that situation, I would suggest maybe using some mousse just to kind of lay those down in case you do wear the unit enough that you start getting it, you know how braids look, they start to get a little bit rough. But this unit looks extremely natural. I really appreciate the parting space and baby hairs they provided with the wig. I didn't have to use any makeup on the lace. I did use it though in my parting areas because I wanted to look more closer to my skin tone instead of sitting and looking extremely pale. The baby hairs are very easy to work with. You can cut them off if you would like, but I do think they add a nice feature to the unit to make it look a little bit more styled up, if you get what I'm saying. I love the length. The 28 inches is beautiful. I did give you guys a zoom out look of that as well. Unit is very big head friendly. I didn't have any issues with it. It comes with an elastic band as well as an adjustable band, and then you have some combs in it, but I don't ever really use the combs. Now the thing that I want to point out that was, you know, kind of bothering me just a tad bit was this right here. I'm pretty sure you guys probably noticed it if you're like me and you examine everything, and you can see how it's kind of like sitting kind of pointy. And I think that's from how it was sitting in the wig, because I'm sitting in the packaging, because my hair is very flat underneath. What I would do in this situation is, if I knew I'm gonna wear the hair out, just kind of tame it down with like a head wrap scarf or something that molds it down, you know. Or another thing I could have did, I did not make the bands in the back really tight. If you make it tight enough, not so much that it gives you a headache, but if you tighten it up some more, then it will help with it laying down flatter as well. But other than that, you guys, I definitely think this is a unit you should put in your collection if you want to have a different braided style look and make it look natural, and you didn't have to sit in the chair for hours and hours and hours, literally just 10 minutes. Then, you know, this is going to be one for you to try for sure. If you guys like it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment as well. The link will be in my description bar below where you can purchase this unit. Thank you again to Sensational for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.